Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today I wanted to talk to you about your industrial needs. If it's industrial, if it's commercial, we do build equipment that is specialized for that more heavier duty use. When I say that, I'm referring to the VH1000 HD, the 3500 HD, or the VH4000 HD. These units have a custom built pump so it can withstand your production work, the multiple hours of use. It's going to withstand what you need. It's going to help you get that production value up. It's going to get these parts turned out for you pretty quickly, save you some time and money. You're going to be able to get this machine, the heavy duty machines, in a 3-phase. You can get them in 308 or 460, and they're going to have the LED lights, they're going to have the wipers, they're going to be, like I said, more industrial use, and again, it's going to have a 1/4 inch thick bottom. In the hopper, we're building a 1/4 inch thick stainless steel so that you're able to withstand the heavy duty use. Give us a call, let us know what questions you have, how we can help you solve your problems, what applications you need assistance with. We're here to help, we're happy to be here for you. Give us a call anytime, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.